Welcome to the Profits Cove video newsletter, packed with smart and innovative business building advice for the marine industry, and a little fun along the way.
Matt Sellhorst, boat dealer profits here on a windy day in Newport, Rhode Island. I've got in the backdrop here the sailboat Comanche. It is one of the fastest monohull sailing boats in the world. Docked here for a race that's coming up. And I wanted to talk to you about speed. I just finished up speaking to a group of industry folks, and one of the things that I gave them was action items. When I work with my coaching clients and when I train people, one of the things I encourage them to do is to take action quickly. So go into what I call massive action mode. I gave them an action list in 2 different sessions. One was 2 steps, one was 6 steps. And those that go home and implement immediately are going to have great success. The others are going to go home and plan to implement, think about implementing, and want to implement. But as we get busy being busy, a lot of times that won't happen. So I encourage you, when you get a great idea on this Profit Cove's newsletter, if you're in my coaching groups, if you're watching, if you're reading a book, if you're taking information from a seminar, if you read a blog that has some great information that is actionable, I want you to take action immediately. Get it on your calendar, schedule a time to take action, and be like Comanche right here. There we go. Get to work quickly. Be fast. Fast with implementation. Otherwise, if you wait, it's likely to never happen. So schedule some time, make a commitment to get it done, and implement quickly. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you next week.